Okay. Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's your pinnae. This is the external auditory canal or external auditory meatus. External auditory canal or external auditory meatus. Okay? Just on the other side of that is the eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. Eustachian tube. Okay? Right in the middle here, and this is missing from most of the models, right in the middle here would be where your tympanic membrane would go.
Could you show us that on the side?
Right here. It would go right in here.
In that slot?
In that slot. That's where your tympanic membrane would be. These are your ossicles, which are these guys, which we'll take a look at in just a second. These are your semicircular canals, which are these guys. This snail-looking thing
It's ugly.
is your cochlea.
Okay.
Okay? So moving on from this guy, let's do the ossicles, which are in your middle ear. The ossicles are in your middle ear. Okay? The one that looks like a horseshoe is the stapes.
That's kind of go hand in hand.
What do you mean?
With the horse with staples, I'm just thinking. Okay.
So stapes, this one is the malleus, incus. So incus,
Malleus.
malleus, stapes.
I get that.
Incus, I'm sorry, incus, malleus, stapes.
Okay.
Incus, malleus, stapes. Okay?
Like scabies.
You guys got that?
Yeah.
So for this model now, these are your semicircular canals.
Semicircular.
Okay? This whole entire thing is the cochlea. Now, if we take a look at the back of the cochlea, this is your vestibulocochlear nerve, right? But do you see how there's a very large branch and then there's another smaller branch that comes off of it? Do you see that smaller branch? That smaller branch is the vestibular branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve, because that leads to your vestibular system. This larger branch is your cochlear branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve. So the entire thing is the vestibulocochlear nerve. But this is the cochlear branch, and this is the vestibular branch. Okay? And that's everything on the ears and the eyes.